Our top focus, Binny has now, in news just coming in 10 days, he wants to give Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, time to implement his policies. Remember, Vinod Kumar Binny was expelled and that riot act was read out to him by none other than Arvind Kejriwal because of his fallout with the party and its ideology. Now we're getting news coming in that Vinod Kumar Binny, who was on a dharna at the Jantar Mantar, has called off his dharna for the next 10 days. We have Pankaj Upadhyay joining us live. Pankaj, is this really a fast or a fast really when it comes to Vinod Kumar Binny?
Vidika, just a few moments back, Vinod Kumar Binny has announced that he postpones his protest for the next 10 days. And the reason that he has given is that he was persuaded by the Lieutenant Governor when he had a meeting in the morning time. And after that, he had a word with Anna Hazare and persuaded both by Anna Hazare and the Lieutenant Governor. He has decided that he would give 10 days time to Arvind Kejriwal. And as Vinod Kumar Binny puts in, if I quote him, he says he will give him 10 days time to prove the promises that he has made. And Vedika, there are about 3 to 4 points specifically which Vinod Kumar Binny has talked about. One, about the formation of the Women Commando Force. Secondly, about the electricity rates. Third, the water. And even at this point of time, when we went up to him, asking him whether he has completely stopped his dharna for today, he answered in a very confused fashion. Perhaps this was the reason that was in his mind in the early morning hours when we asked him, will he continue his dharna? Then he stated after he meets the Lieutenant Governor, he will answer us then. When we asked him the same question there, he said once he reaches Rajghat, then he will answer. Further, he delayed all these answers. And right now, after making all the speeches, all the tirades against Arvind Kejriwal, Kumar Vishwas and Shazia Ilmi, now comes the statement saying that for the next 10 days, there will be a postponement and time would be given to Arvind Kejriwal to fulfill the promises and the policies that were given and doled out in front of the electorate. Vedika.
What's ironical, Pankaj, is here's a man who made all the right noises ever since this morning. He sat on a dharna. It seems that he's diluted his own stand now by deferring his fast by 10 days, or rather his protest by 10 days.
Vedika, for one, he is all set to embarrass Arvind Kejriwal at this point of time. Though the BJP clearly seems to have opened its door for Vinod Kumar Binny, here from this very stage at Jantar Mantar, he clearly maintained that he is in no mood either to join the BJP or the Congress. Though he may have indulged in strong words, angry criticism, speech, yet he maintains with the issues of Jan Lokpal, women reservation, electricity tariff reduction and the increase in water supply, he will with the Aam Aadmi.
Alright, we're trying to get you that input of Vinod Kumar Binny. He was speaking after he had called off his protest for the next 10 days. Well, hours after he was sacked by the Aam Aadmi Party, Vinod Kumar Binny took his case to the Lieutenant Governor Najeeb Jung, claiming that the Delhi Chief Minister